Okay. Hi all, we are playing a business game today or a management game. So, all the management games that we have usually have a purpose. So, right now we'll start a game, and by the end of the game, everybody should be able to know what was the purpose of this game. Okay. The game is pretty simple. You might have played in informal events. Each person will say two truths about him and one lie, and you have to identify which is the lie and which is the truth. Okay. So I want everybody to unmute your phones and be ready to answer. I'll go first. I'll give you three statements. I hope everybody understood. Everybody has to tell three statements about themselves. Two should be truths, means two should be correct. One statement should be negative. And you all have to identify which is the negative or which is the wrong one. Okay. So let me begin with three statements of mine. Okay. First statement is I love reading. Second statement is I love cooking. Third statement is I love chocolate. Now, yeah.
Ma'am, you don't love
Anybody
chocolate.
answer?
Ma'am,
Anybody
chocolate.
understand?
You
You
don't
don't
like
love
chocolate?
chocolate.
No, no.
Reading. Oh, ma'am doesn't like
You
cooking.
don't like it. You don't like.
Let's do it one by one. Yeah.
Ma'am, you don't like reading.
Oh God, no.
Ma'am, cooking.
Cooking is love then. Cooking is a lie.
Yeah. Cooking is the lie, actually. Okay.
My
Yeah. Syed and Khatija have. Khatija, I think you told it on the second attempt. First
Yes, ma'am.
attempt, you
Second
thought
attempt.
I don't like chocolate. Usually, I like
Set in the first attempt.
what, Rohan? You told in the first attempt, huh? Syed, you
You
told
didn't
in
hear
first
it,
attempt. Yeah.
ma'am. Say,
Yes, please mute your phones. Please mute your phones. Yeah. On the first attempt, Syed was able to tell, and all the other people were able to guess. Okay. So, how are you able to guess? Is what we will be learning after playing the game. So, each of you unmute your phone and try to say three statements, and we all will guess which is correct and which is wrong. Okay. Let us start with Khatija. I'll call the
so,
names and you please start.
please start.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I love seafood. I love
Okay.
cooking. And I love
Okay.
cleaning the house.
Okay.
Cleaning the house is
Mine.
Cleaning the house is a lie.
Is it?
Raw
Seafood.
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 Nikhil.
Seafood is
We'll
a
ask
lie.
Nikhil since. Nikhil, what do you think?
Ma'am, NPL, ma'am.
Okay, I'll repeat her sentences. She loves cooking. She loves seafood. And the third person, then she loves cleaning the house after.
Seafood.
Mm. Correct, ma'am.
Okay, seafood is what is,
Seafood
Wrong.
is
yeah.
like or dislike.
Is a dislike.
Seafood is a wrong statement that she said. So she loves cooking and she loves cleaning, but she doesn't love seafood. That's what is she
Yes,
saying.
ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, Abhinav Santosh, since you came late, why don't you give three sentences? Okay, Abhinav Santosh is not there. Okay. Russell, start. Russell, are you able to hear me?
దీనికి చంపడం
What? Some problem? Okay. Simika, next one.
I'm 173.
Okay, 173. What's going on? Please tell 3 sentences about yourself.
Myself, Nimrit Kumar. ma'am.
Okay. 3 sentences about yourself.
Uh, I love chess, ma'am.
Okay.
అరే ఫస్ట్ దే అబద్ధం చెప్పినవేం రా
Let him continue. Wait. Let him continue.
But free time I use
Next one.
mostly chess, ma'am.
In the free time, you mostly what?
You have to
Rohan,
tell
wait.
one
Mostly I
Let
lie
him
about
complete
yourself.
3 sentences. Yeah. You have to tell 2 truths and 1 lie. Okay.
Truth and one lie, ma'am.
Mm.
Mm,
Is it so difficult to tell 2 truths about yourself and 1 lie?
ma'am, I said two truths, ma'am. Sorry.
Wow. Next one you're going to lie.
Yes, definitely. Come on,
The
anybody else
answer
who
is
is ready? Speak up. Come on, next person. Let's not waste time. We only have 15 minutes. Okay.
Ma'am, you take the names, ma'am. That will be better.
Okay. Abhinav Santosh is saying, I'm a great guy. I'm a great guy. Okay. What is the third one? Okay. So for tomorrow's class, I'm deleting Abhinav Santosh since he thinks it's a game. So you'll not be admitted for tomorrow's class. Okay. Cool. Let us see Russell's. I love animals. I like reading. I went to Bangalore on my bike. So which of these statements do you think is wrong?
I like
Which
reading.
is
Reading.
okay? So he's a person who is reading always. Okay. Does he love animals?
He
Or
loves
do you think he went to Bangalore on a bike?
I guess
Which do you
he
think?
went on a bike because
Bangalore on a
he
bike.
loves his bike.
Cannot
Yes.
go.
Why? So you
And
all
there is
are
lockdown,
guessing that
that's why I
he
cannot go to
doesn't love
Bangalore.
animals so much.
Ma'am, he loves animals and then he went to Bangalore on a bike. Reading is
He
false.
doesn't like reading.
రీడింగ్
Yeah.
లై మ్యామ్ రీడింగ్
Yes,
ఇస్
ma'am.
లై
Reading is
Okay.
first.
Okay. Russell, what is the correct answer? Just type it out. What is the lie that you have lied? Reading. Wow. Very good. Great. So I guess you all know much about Russell. Next person, George. Answer. 3 statements.
My first statement, I'm lazy. Second
Okay.
statement, I love spending more time sketching. For third statement, I don't like parties.
Okay. Now, any guesses? Which is the lie he's telling?
డోంట్ లైక్
Ma'am, he
పార్టీస్
doesn't
He's
like
lazy, ma'am.
parties.
He is
Parties.
lazy. Okay. He likes
Pedda-
parties.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్ పెద్ద అబద్ధం అదే
Okay. Okay. Then what is the second statement he made?
స్కెచింగ్ మ్యామ్ హీ లవ్ స్కెచింగ్
He loves sketching. Then he did not tell any false statement. Do you mean so?
ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ లేజీ పార్టీస్ ది మ్యామ్
Parties is a false statement. You mean to say that he doesn't like to go to parties?
నో మ్యామ్ నో మ్యామ్ హీ సెడ్
George is
he doesn't love to go to parties it's a lie
Acha,
ma'am
so అది negative statement అన్నమాట. Okay, okay. George, is it correct?
What, ma'am?
You love to go to parties, but you have lied that you don't love to go to parties. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Very good. Good going. Now let us see Abhinav Santosh. I love traveling, I love making films, and I hate gatherings. Okay.
Ma'am,
Does
he loves
anybody
making films. Yes. He
Okay.
Hates
loves
gathering lie,
travel.
ma'am. Hates gathering
He
lie.
hates gathering his life.
Lie. It's a
Acha,
big
you
lie.
mean to say that he is a public pleaser, like he loves people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it correct, Santosh? Wow. Okay, very good. I did not know that you make films, yeah. What films do you make? Good. Okay, anybody else who is ready? Ashwini, let's hear from you. Okay, Rachana has sent, I'm stubborn, I'm an extrovert, I love watching horror movies. Okay, any guesses which is the
She's
wrong
not an
statement?
extrovert.
She's not an
An
Horror
extrovert
movies.
is a wrong.
extrovert.
Extrovert
Okay,
is a
many
wrong
are
one.
rooting for extrovert. Which one is right? Okay, Rachna is saying extrovert is the correct one. But extrovert is something you can feel and you can see others. The statement that I want you to ask is something that only your close friends will know or people who understand you will know. Okay, not about extrovert or introvert is something we can guess. Okay, yes. Next one,
Ma'am, I'm
Ashwini, you are
ready.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
First statement would be I love dancing. Second statement would
okay,
be I am not scared of creepy crawlies. And the
okay,
third statement would be I love shopping.
okay.
Creepy crawlies is a wrong one.
Creepy
Statement.
crawlies,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's
Creepy
right.
crawlies.
Yeah, that was like obvious because yeah, dancing one was I think everybody knew.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mahesh Panchal, you are answering very good. Now let us see Mahesh Panchal's statements. Give me 3 statements. I'm not able to hear you. You can type in chat. No issues. Anybody else also can type in the meanwhile. Praneeth, you are there? Priyanka, next. Okay, Mahesh has sent, I like to play PUBG. I like to make friends and I love studies. Are you serious? Okay. No,
Studies,
Okay.
even I
ma'am.
know even I know the answer, so it's light. Okay. Let us see what is Praneeth's. Okay. I like sleeping, I like traveling, and I like writing. So which one is the wrong statement of Praneeth?
Likes writing, ma'am.
Writing.
Writing, ma'am.
Okay, he likes writing. So we don't know anything about his sleeping and we don't know about traveling. Huh?
Correct, ma'am.
What is this?
Writing is the false statement.
Acha,
Writing
he
is wrong,
hates
ma'am.
writing, you meant to say.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
oh, very good. Very good. Wow. Okay. Sleeping is correct. It's in no, Shravan. He's saying writing is correct. Okay. Now, by this exercise, do you feel that something is achieved by this exercise? Sorry, I'm not taking all of your answers because we are in time crunch today.
Ma'am, I put
Okay.
one question. Just check once.
Okay. Nikhil wants his statements to be read. I love coming to college. I hate smoking. I love PUBG.
Statement, ma'am.
I love
Coming to
PUBG.
college.
First
Smoking
one
is
only.
lie.
Second
And
statement false,
I
ma'am.
love coming to
Pa-
college. I love PUBG is truth.
You mean to say he loves smoking also?
Yes, ma'am.
PUBG is wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
You
PUBG is
really
wrong.
smoke?
No, ma'am. I
Oh
hate
God,
PUBG.
PUBG is
thank God
wrong.
for that. Seriously, many people are
I
saying
wanted
smoking
to
is a lie.
confuse people, so
Okay, okay. You have used 2 positive statements and 1 negative statement. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Usually in the interviews also people will be asking like this so that they know who is reading, who is not. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
PUBG is
So I
negative.
hate PUBG.
Everybody is saying PUBG. Okay. Mahesh has said. But not everybody is aware of you, I think. Why is that? If you
Because I
see
never
the other
mentioned
people
about
got.
smoking. Because and everyone thinks that guys love PUBG basically,
Okay.
so they wouldn't go with that statement.
Okay, okay. So, do you think, everybody, do you think we have learned something through this management game? After you are
Yes, ma'am.
joined in a company, you are a team of 40 to 100 people, say suppose, and you will be made to play games like this. So, do you think we can achieve something through these games? Any
Yes,
guesses?
ma'am. We'll get to know
Yeah,
about the other person.
yes, we'll get to know about the other person best. Suppose, I'll give you a simple example. Suppose you are saying in your statement, I love PUBG. Okay. And the other person is also saying, I love PUBG or something like that. This, the people can bond over. Okay. But if you are simply saying, I like OR, I like OM, do you think anybody approaching you? No. Suppose if you are saying, I like sketching, and if somebody else also has made the same statement or something regarding that, then automatically you will veer towards them, because in the organization, formal groups are as important as informal groups, and informal groups are the source of spreading the culture of the company. So, if I am doing this activity, people get connected to each other. Since I am talking about three statements, definitely two statements will ring with other people. So, they will find a common ground to grow their friendship on. So, all our team needs is to have synergy. So, by doing or playing such kind of games, we are improving the communication and synergy levels in the team, and there is an unknown bond between two people that grows. Suppose if I'm saying I love Big Bang Theory, somebody else is also saying, yeah, I also love Big Bang Theory. I'll definitely always try to talk in that words, or I'll quote Sheldon, or I'll quote Leonard, or somebody. Yeah. So we'll have a different sort of communication among us rather than plain like formal with everybody else. Agreed? Yes? Yes. Now I'm showing you a game. This game is a business game. Okay. I'll send you the website name. It is simcompanies.com. Okay. If you press this in this game, let me start the tutorial. Yeah. So if you see in this game, they'll give you what you have to produce. Okay. What you have to produce and what you need to produce. Okay. So right now, my tutorial says produce and sell 50 apples. If you see on the left top corner, this is my target. Okay. I have to produce 50 apples and then sell and then make income. Okay. So this is a tutorial. So see, the green block is highlighting. So I'll go to encyclopedia. In the encyclopedia, it is saying that apples are to be produced on a plantation and need water and seeds as important input resources. Okay. So I will now click on plantation. Okay. In the plantation, it is saying I have to select apple seeds. Okay. Now where I can find the apple seeds? I am going to the map and seeing this one. Okay. Now this allows, this is nothing but grocery shop. I'm buying the goods here. Okay. Now for apples, I am buying 150 water. So I have to click here 150 and then I have to buy. For 150 water, I'm paying $45 here. Okay. That is one done. For seeds, how many apples I want?
150. 50, ma'am.
50 apples I want.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so 50 seeds are there enough, or should I buy more?
50.
50, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 second, it's not coming. Yeah. If I am buying 50, see the price is 500. Demand has increased. Okay. You can purchase anything after you finish your tutorial. Okay, done. I've selected seeds. I have finished. I'm typing 50. $12 price. Okay. Now I have bought 50 seeds for $12. Now I'll go to map again. Now what should I do? I have to plant. Okay. You need input resources, money to cover wages of your workers. You only pay them when they work. The building can be expanded to increase the population. So, yeah. Since I want 50 apples, I'll say I want 50. Then I'll say please produce 50 apples. Okay. Now production has started. Here, if you see, production has started. 3, 2, 1 seconds. I have finished. I have got 50 apples here. Now I am going to grocery market, and I am putting here. So what price do I want to sell? 50. I am selling it at 4.4. Okay.
Ma'am, why not
Now
5?
why not 5? Because this is tutorial. After this follows the regular one, the game you can play. Okay. In the
Okay, ma'am.
tutorial, it is saying only what it has to. You can determine your price in the real game. Yeah. After that, after selling, you are going to your headquarters to see how much you have made money. See, it is giving you balance sheets, incomes, cash flows, how much you made. See, 29 are left. Amounts, chart of your growth rate, and these two people are your employees, and your company is right now very small to issue bonds or shares. Okay, so after this it will say start playing. If you see in the left bottom corner, start playing. If you click on this with your Gmail ID or Google ID, you can start your own company. And see, if you see the scrollings downstairs, you can run an imaginary company in this website. Okay, you can increase your production, you can grow your produce, you can do anything. Even you can change your company product also. This is an excellent website where you can learn real life productions, real life share market also. You can go after a certain stage. If you reach the working capital and everything, see, by this time you made $417, but once your production is increasing 10,000, see, this is what they are giving you basically: 10,000 units of water, 10,000 units of power, 300 units of steel, 5,000 units of transportation. Now, using this, you need to start and play the game. So, open your businesses today. Try to see. I'll just now send the link to Nikhil so that he can send. Anyhow, you all are anyhow playing games. So, why not this game? Okay. Try and see. This game is really interesting. You can learn a lot, because you will know everything. It is not like Penguin Diner or something. How many of you have played like burgers or diners or chefs cooks games in mobile? They are very
Penguin Diner.
interesting actually. Yeah, so this is kind of next step of that. Okay, this is more to reality, because here we will be given bonds, shares, and here we will be given balance sheets and everything. So how much? See, to market, production, cash flow, everything. So whatever you are learning in finance, whatever you are learning in marketing, whatever you are learning in HR, everything will be used in this game. So this is a perfect example for business game. I want everybody to at least open it and see, because I think you will definitely learn something through it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have sent the link to Nikhil. Please see to that. If you are coming tomorrow to class, that you have named your own company. I want one company on each of your name, and I want you to take a screenshot of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, screenshot, and I'll ask you tomorrow to send to me. It's really nice. Try to play it, please.
మ్యామ్ ఫోన్లో వస్తుంది కదా?
ఫోన్లో వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా. అదే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేసి చూస్తున్నా వస్తుందా విత్ ఫేస్బుక్. Anyhow, if you have Facebook logins, we are not using Facebook anyways. So try to use Facebook for this at least.
Okay, ma'am.
Facebook ID undi, Google ID undi. My net
No,
is
ma'am.
slow.
Is it available on phone? I'm asking.
That's what. It's not an app.
Checking.
It's a website. But I'm trying to see whether it is working on phone. But right now it is not working.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see. There are many people who can do wonders on phones also. So let us see if it can. See, I sent you the link.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you for the class. You all can leave. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please play the game if you really want to learn how to run a business. Okay. Try to open it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. 1 second. 1 second. I have to stop recording.